What's up, mi gente? We are back again in the kitchen and we are going to be making some tacos tonight. We are going to be using some ground sirloin and the Bold Kit from Old El Paso. Now let's get right to it. We're going to start seasoning up our meat with some adobo, followed by some garlic and some garlic pepper, because you guys know that I just do not cook without it. Now it's time to start breaking up this meat, making sure that all of our seasonings are well incorporated into our meat. Now let's start chopping up the onions. I like to dice mine, and let's move on to the tomatoes. I use 2 whole tomatoes for my family, and now it's time to check back on our meat. We are going to be adding that taco seasoning, and we are also going to be preheating our oven at 400 degrees because we're going to be sticking these shells in here for 5 minutes. Make sure that you put enough space in between them so that they can get nice and crispy evenly in every single shell. Now my oven is preheated and they're ready to start baking. Now I'll be adding the taco seasoning that came in the kit. And like always, give it a really good mix after you pour those sauces in there. And just like that, our shells are ready. Now let's start heating up our corn tortillas. And now that all of our tortillas are nice and warm, we are going to start assembling our plate. Beef, queso, lettuce, tomatoes, diced onions. And now for some shredded cheese, because who does not love some shredded cheese? I do. And take a look at these tacos. They look absolutely amazing. Can't wait to eat them. Just take a look at the cheese on this hard shell taco. It looks just so delicious. If you guys enjoyed today's cooking video, remember to comment below and let me know if you guys decided to try it at home. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time.